What's up, everybody? Andrew here with another Medellin living video. Today I'm here with Franco and Leaf. How you guys doing?
I'm good, man.
I'm good. They're gonna help me do this walkthrough of this beautiful mansion behind me. Are you guys ready?
Let's do it.
Let's
get
go.
started. Let's do this.
Right. Where are we located, guys?
We're in Los Balsos.
In Los Balsos?
Yeah.
Okay, so Los Balsos is in El Poblado.
In El Poblado, yes.
Up in the hills, obviously.
Up in the hills.
Up in the hills.
Look at this.
The hills of El Poblado. And this thing is ginormous.
It is.
The lot size is 3,092 square meters.
Okay.
You guys do the math on the square footage.
I'll put it in the description.
But the house is 600 square meters, which is roughly 6,500 square footage.
Okay.
I did the math there for you guys.
Crazy.
Okay.
And honestly, this house, it feels like a museum. I mean, take a look at, these statues right over
look at
here.
that.
Yeah.
That one's my favorite.
What is that?
That one's my favorite.
That's for nighttime.
For nighttime.
Okay, Leaf, where are we here?
So this is the living room. It's beautifully designed. I mean, an artist owns this house, and you can clearly tell with all the paintings all around.
Yeah.
And
This is
it's
crazy.
massive. I mean, Frank is a giant, and he's not even able to. He's not even close to the ceiling.
But you got a chimney, working chimney here.
Okay.
Living area.
Living
amazing,
area.
Great for entertaining.
Yep.
And it's gorgeous. You have a nice little jacuzzi, so you can sit out and look at that incredible view.
Look
It's
at this
even better
view.
from here.
Oh my
I mean,
gosh. Look how
this is
beautiful
crazy.
Medellin is, guys.
Invite
Look at
a
that,
couple
man.
friends over. Enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Talk
nice,
shop
man.
or do whatever you want
Yeah.
to do.
Overlooking the view.
like it.
Wow.
I like it.
Beautiful. Love it.
Do this.
You guys didn't bring your Speedos?
And then this is the river, or a part of the river that's running through the house.
Oh,
or
that's
running
cool.
Through the property or something.
Yeah.
Right?
Beautiful.
Yes.
All right. So where are we going now, guys?
We're moving to what would be considered the dining area. You celebrate Thanksgiving, any kind of big dinner parties. This table pretty much does the trick for it.
Okay.
Got more sculptures here. I don't know, Leaf, do you know some stuff about this?
Yeah, I mean, these are pre-Columbian artifacts. They're well over 1,000 years old.
So you got the kitchen, modern kitchen, open kitchen, island kitchen counter with a stove top, which is gas powered. And then over here you have an electric top with oven as well.
Okay.
And then over here you have, I guess the service quarters,
Yeah.
as well as
So like the maid's room.
the maid's room. Yeah, over here.
It's in there?
The maid's room, yeah, you can go ahead in there. We're too big to fit in here, but
Yeah.
go ahead, cameraman.
Oh,
It's actually pretty comfy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We got the maid Franco, and it's got its own full bath, and it looks like it's got a little door here. Oh, look at this.
A private terrace
Yeah.
for the
Oh,
maid.
Maid's living better than me.
And she's living large, huh?
Living large.
I mean,
and
if
in
you're up
charge.
here,
In my opinion, one of the coolest parts of the entire house,
Okay.
in which you have your own private, honestly, your own private museum.
be careful when you're walking in here.
I'm being very careful, man. But I mean, look at
Okay,
that.
so this is like
incredible.
a little museum room.
Little museum room. Again, I'm uncultured, know nothing about this stuff. But what I was told is that these are miniature-sized versions of the actual sculptures that the owner did himself, I believe, right?
Wow.
Leaf?
Yeah.
But yes, this is the gallery. You can use it as like a cinema room,
Yeah,
game
TV room or.
An office.
An
You can do
office,
a lot of
yeah.
stuff with this
Yeah,
place.
I would turn it into a game room, me personally.
Okay.
You have a balcony. Go
I
ahead
mean, look
check
at
it
this
out.
view.
Amazing killer view.
I feel like the view gets better and better every
Yeah,
single time,
every
right?
floor that we go up.
Every room is gonna get better.
Okay.
It's crazy.
You've got your bathroom here. It's, I guess you would consider it a half bath.
Yeah.
It does have its own toilet, but if you go around the corner of the door,
Oh,
you got
wow.
yourself another urinal. Urinal cakes are not included in the price, but maybe you can negotiate them. I don't know. You got your full bath over here,
Okay.
which is
Okay.
another toilet. So
Another toilet.
no
No
shortage
urinal.
of bathroom.
What the?
Nice comfortable bed right here with a view. I mean,
That's
oh,
true.
other than that,
Amazing, yeah.
right?
For the right price, this mansion comes with Leaf.
Yeah,
There you go. And then we have another
Here's
room here. If you want to, you can go.
Mr.
ahead first.
Salvador,
We got
come
the
on.
owner here, Salvador.
¿Cómo estás?
Oh, yeah.
This is the artist.
This is the artist and the owner. He worked with several architects to build this home himself.
Yeah.
Don Salvador, ¿ya cuántos años tiene esta casa?
Va a ajustar 10 años, tiene 9 años larguitos.
Okay, so it's almost 10 years
Almost
old.
10 years old.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is great.
There
Muy
you go.
bonita, hermosa.
Yeah.
We love it. I mean, the view is insane.
So up here, we have, honestly, I think,
Look at this thing.
This thing. What is
Oh,
this?
yeah.
What is this, Leaf?
This is like a custom art piece that the owner did, right?
Yes, it is.
Next video.
We have
Next
a
video.
bedroom over here.
Okay.
Really high ceiling bedroom. I'm 6'4", 6'3".
Yeah.
You got yourself a nice little bed here to relax and dream.
Awesome. Yeah, it's got its own little balcony.
Yeah, the balcony is actually really good size. I like it a lot.
This is another pre-Columbian art piece.
Wow.
I couldn't tell you how old it is. I'm not an expert, but it's.
But I heard,
pretty,
I overheard
pretty
they're
old.
worth quite a bit of change.
Yeah, I'm
Pretty
afraid to even
penny,
touch anything
Yeah.
in here.
Exactly.
All right, let's go on to the primary, the master. Very,
Ah.
very amazing.
Yeah, a lot of
Like
space.
king
Enough for
size
both of
bed,
us.
right? And then you got the bathroom here, master bathroom.
Wow.
It's great. You got the double vanity, which not a lot of places have. You got the toilet, and well, what's this
urinal.
mansion without another urinal in place?
Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is cool.
Nice little bathtub
Yeah.
and the view, right?
Yep. So awesome. Okay. We continue.
Let's go.
Go to the closet.
It's on. Yeah.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a really deep closet. When we
Wow.
first came in, we just thought it was like this size,
Yeah.
right? But then you have this whole other
A whole other
know,
section. Oh my gosh.
section, right?
Yeah, it is giant.
I just need one cupboard.
Yeah,
It's nice and comfortable, man.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Nice and comfortable. I like it.
Yeah.
The aerial shot.
And high
Awesome.
ceilings again, which is almost
Wow.
everywhere.
Yeah.
You got closet space here. Wow. And we got the bathroom. No urinals.
No urinals.
Maybe you can install one, you know.
Yeah.
If you feel left out.
This is really cool, actually.
What do we have over
Something
here?
that I would like to have in my own place.
Wow,
A
look at that.
huge library.
I have my gaming PC here. You got more space, more balcony over here. You got actually
Nice little gym.
state-of-the-art gym out here for all your cardio.
You want to see?
needs.
Try that.
I think that.
I don't know how I'm supposed to
I
do
think it
this.
powers the entire mansion.
Yeah? Is that how
there
you
you go. That's how you
get
turn the
power?
lights on.
Yeah.
But you got more views out here, right? Working out with the view is
Beauty.
amazing.
And another thing I wanted to mention, you know you've made it in life when you have multiple different portraits of yourself.
Oh yeah, that's post-COVID portrait.
Right?
Wow.
Nice little drawing.
Salvador's G.
He is.
All right.
And he's got his own
Is that his
little-
baby picture?
I think so. We got more room up here. I don't know what you would turn this into. Maybe if you are yourself an artist or a sculptor, you turn this into your workshop area.
Maybe even another guest room, really.
Or another guest
Or
room,
just
yeah.
storage. It's almost like an attic, huh?
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
This is where the great mind of Salvatore works.
Look at him when he was
Let's go
young.
this one first.
Yeah.
Angsty.
So if we head on over here, we got one terrace. We'll show you the other terrace in a minute. And this is a
Yeah.
great big area. The stairs. Go down the stairs and go straight across.
Okay.
With another terrace with an amazing view.
What? It's another urinal.
What are you doing?
You guys are coming so soon.
Oh wow! Look at
We got more
Came with a
urinals, more urinals and views, man. What
Look
did you
at
ask
that.
for?
All right, so guys, what is the asking price on this?
So this house was originally at 5.5 billion pesos, but the owner recently reduced it to 4.8 billion. And that's how much in US?
I think that's about 1.2 million US dollars.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, and another good thing about this property is that you can do both daily and monthly rentals.
So you should see in the description a link to a form. Just fill that form out and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
All right, guys, you heard it. Click that link, fill out the form. Even if you're looking for something different, it doesn't matter. One of us will reach back out to you on WhatsApp. We'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, see you later. Bye. I gotta go.
Lee's gotta go pee.
Again. All right, see you later, guys. You're getting like a zoom in or?
Let me see.